Hello students, in statistic first chapter, chapter number 1, index number. Today we are going to see the specific sums carries 5 marks weightage. Here specific sums yani very important sum. You can see here I have written these three formulas. That is index number of one of the name of the statistician is Laspierre. So here Laspierre has given this formula where he has taken into consideration not only the price of current year and base year, but he also took into consideration the quantity of the base year. So you can see this formula, index number of Laspierre, sigma upon also sigma, P1 upon P0 basic. Both the price is multiplied with the base year, quantity of the base year into 100. Now another formula, index number of Paasches. That's why it is written like IP, where he took into consideration with P1 and P0 the quantity of the product, that is 1 of current year. So here it is written quantity of the current year, so Q1, and here also Q1 multiplied by 100. But we have another statistician named Fisher. He took into consideration both the aspects. So you can see the formula here. Index number of Fisher under root, index number of Laspierre and index number of Paasches. If it is asked only index number of Fisher, you can go for this formula. In both the cases, you will get the same answer. So let's see index number of Fisher under root, index number of Laspierre's formula P1 upon P0 Q0 Q0 into here Paasches index number, that is P1 upon P0 multiplied by both Q1 and Q1 into 100. So these three formulas you have to write 3 times in your notebook because it is very much important. Here I have selected one sum for you, and that is illustration number 12, where I have already written this table which has been already given in the question. Before solving such type of sum, there are 2 notes I have written, that do not change the sequence of the columns. You are going to copy the sum dicto as it is. You are not going to change its column. Always remember to avoid the mistake. And second one is check the measures of unit and variables. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप देख सकते हैं इधर यूनिट में अगर 1 किलोग्राम है तो क्वांटिटी ऑल्सो यू विल फाइंड द सेम मेजरमेंट एंड दैट इज किलोग्राम. वेरिएबल देखिए किलोग्राम किलोग्राम. हियर लीटर इज आउटसाइड, सो इनर साइड ऑल्सो लीटर. हियर आउटसाइड केजी, इनर कॉलम ऑल्सो केजी एंड केजी. Here outside dozen, so inner column also dozen and dozen. So you can say that here all the measurements, all the variables are equal, so there is no need to change it. So let us solve the sum. Here I have copied everything, where 2016 and which price is given? The year 2015. What is given over here? 2015. So 2015 is the my past year, so I can say this is my base year. So P0 and Q0 I will consider, and 2016 that is current year, that is the latest year. 15 के बाद 16 आता है, so this is my current year, and its price is denoted by P1 and quantity is denoted by Q1. So this way I have done the coding. Now I am going to solve the sum. After doing this, in the page below that sum, you are going to write this formula, that is index number of Laspierre. So you can see this P1 Q0 and P0 Q0. So first I am going to make the column over there P1 Q0. I am going to make that first, that is P1 Q0, and another column is P0 Q0. So P1 Q0 yani first column and Q0 yani last. So I am going to do the multiplication. 40 ones are 40, then 44 into 12, the answer will be 528. Next 50 into 2, answer will be 100. Then 56 into 2, the answer will be 72. So by doing so, I have done this column and I got the summation of it, that is 740. Now let's talk about Now let's talk about P0 and Q0. So here last two columns, 39 ones are 39, 40 into 12, 480, 45 into 2, this will be 90, and 30 into 2, this will be 60. When I do the summation of this, the answer will be 669. What is the answer? 669. Now I am going to write this both the answers in the index number of last year. Come over here. 740 upon 669 into 100. So when I sort it out, I will get the answer 110.61. Clear? सेम वे आप देख सकते हैं दिस P1 Q1 and P0 Q1. I am going to make their P1 Q1 over here, P1 Q1 and P0 Q1, P0 Q1. So P1 Q1 यानी अगेन फर्स्ट टू कॉलम्स आप देख सकते हैं 40 into 1.5 आंसर will be 60, 44 into 10 440, 50 into 1.5, the answer will be 75, and 56 into 1.5, the answer will be 54. Let's do the summation at a time to avoid mistake. 629. Now P0 Q1. So P0 Q1 yani these two columns multiplication 1.5 into 39. The answer will be 58.5. P0 Q1, P0 Q1. 40 into 10, 400. 45 into 1.5, answer will be 67.5. And next one is the last one, P0 Q1. 1.5 into 30, answer will be 45. The summation would be 571. Substitute in the main formula both the answers. P1 Q1 answer will be 629. P0 Q1 571 into 100. When I solve it, I will get the answer 110.16. Clear? So आप देख सकते हैं कितना इंक्रीमेंट हुआ. So 110.61 minus 100. So 10.61 is the increment, and here 110.16. So 110.16 minus 100, the answer will be 10.16 is the increment. Let's talk about the Fisher. Fisher के लिए both the answers I want, index number of last year as well as index number of Parshas. Look at here, index number of last year. This is the answer 110.61, and Parshas answer. What is that Parshas answer? 110.16. दोनों का multiplication when you will do, so you'll get the answer 100 and you will take out the root. Finally answer we will get 110.38. So this way 110.38 minus 100, you will find the net increase 10.38. So this way you have to solve this sum. Your homework in your notebook would be exercise 1.3 question number 3 and exercise 1 section F question number 4. We'll see the next sum.